Hey there, a small disclaimer. 1. I'm no expert in programming, so there may be a lot of dumb mistakes and errors in my code. 2. I'm not a professional YouTuber. This is my first video and literally I learned to edit and give voiceover in last 5 days. So you might not find smooth editing and nice voiceover. Be prepared for that. Thank you. I'm trying to write a bot that would help me grab Redmi Note 9 Pro in Amazon's flash sale. This is my first trial in writing a flash bot myself, which obviously turned out to be a failure. So if you're still interested to watch this video, please go on. First, I have created a folder called BuyBot on the desktop with a file that has my Amazon account's credentials. I thought it would be better if I know what are the steps that my bot should perform sequentially. So I have made a trial run through Amazon's website and made a list of steps that my bot should perform. And the steps are as follows. Step 1. Open browser and go to amazon.in page. Step 2. Click on sign in button. Step 3. Enter phone number and click continue. Step 4. Enter password and click on login button. Step 5. Search for the item. Step 6. Click on the item from search results. Step 7. Click on buy now button. Then I started working on the directories. My project would contain 4 folders. Resources is a folder in which all the keywords are placed. Variables is a folder in which all the global variables are placed. Tests is a folder in which I write all the actual scripts that's going to use the keywords that we have created in resources folder. And the fourth folder is the results, but I'm not going to create it now as it will be generated automatically by the robot framework when we run the bot. Now I will create a batch file in the project's root directory in which I'm going to write a command that would run the bot in turn. Actually the batch file is not necessary, but if not for this I would have to write this whole lengthy command every time I want to run my bot. Let us see in action what this batch file does. When I run the batch file, it is trying to execute the command that I have given previously, which would run our bot. But it is showing us an error as I have not created the test.robot file yet in the test folder. Once we create the test.robot file, this batch file would run all the tests that are written in that file. Now I will start working on the keywords file and place this in the resource folder. Since I'm going to be using Selenium library, I have imported it and also imported the variables file which I have not defined yet, and I will define it very soon. All the steps that I have noted earlier would become my keywords. I am using ChroPath Chrome extension to find the XPaths of elements on the web page. I found something interesting here. Generally IDs would always be unique. But here, as we can see, there are two elements with same ID on the login page. So instead of using ID, I am going to use relay to XPath to access that element. So while I tried to run the bot, there was a problem. The error says browser is not found. This is because there was a typo in variable spelling which caused the problem. So correcting the variable spelling should remove the error. So my plan is to copy buy now button's XPath from any other phone's page and paste it in the script file. So that way when we run our bot during the flash sale, it will click the buy now button on Redmi Note 9 Pro's phone page.